Hey and welcome to Videocast 6. I'm Andreas Rönnberg, and I'm having a big fucking hangover. Okay, this is the reason why. I was on this Battlefield 3 release party yesterday, and I had to record this videocast today because you guys are liking the Facebook page really fast, and that's pretty cool, but also pretty, I don't know. Anyway, we're going to talk about Crowfear today, and what can I say? We are in the last stages of the mod process. We are currently fixing bugs, working with co-op and new modes, unlockables, and pretty cool stuff. New cool stuff. So right now, we're focusing on bugs and the co-op. And I'm going to show you a little about what things I've been adding lately. And that is developer commentaries. James has coded it so we can have developer commentaries that you have to unlock by beating the mod the first one time. And when you beat it one time, you get an option where you can activate the developer commentaries. And actually, okay, I've been adding developer commentaries into maps like this, and here they are. So this is stuff that we have been working on mostly for the last couple of weeks, just adding unlockables, polishing maps, fixing ugly shit that we didn't like, and also we let Stig and Lasse to beta test our voice actors. Stig and Lasse, we let them beta test the mod a lot, and they found a lot of bugs that we've been fixing, and they also thought that the mod was a bit too hard and also a bit hard to find around in the big city. So we had to add objectives to the mod as well, so you can press a button to view what objective you have, and so you know what to do, because the map, the city you are in is pretty big, so it's a lot bigger than Afraid of Monsters. Anyway, so here's how the developer commentary looks like, and they won't be, of course they won't be visible from if you play the mod first time. I can show you how it works here on the screen. I'll have to activate it with the console. Skip that cutscene because I don't want to show you anything secret. Okay. This is not really the beginning, it's kind of the beginning, but okay, here you have the developer commentary, and you just press it with the use button. This is the start map, and it was the first map to Crowfear that was ever created. From the beginning it was just using simple looking Half-Life textures with very low resolution, and later on I went to my capital city, Stockholm, where I went around taking photos and made my own custom textures to make it look really like Stockholm and have a really photorealistic look. Then later on I wanted to make the windows in the buildings to have their lights on, and I wanted to have people standing there and watching it, but I never added it because I didn't want to confuse the players too much in the beginning. I wanted it to stay kinda simple in the beginning, not have too much shit appearing. So that's how it looks. Hooray! And yeah. So yeah, that's what we are working with. There's not so much more we can say because yeah, we're just fixing bugs, working with the secret stuff like the unlockables that you really can't read. So yeah, we will soon release a co-op gameplay video because you are liking the Facebook page so fast. So yeah, we will be working with co-op now and improve a lot of co-op stuff that we need to improve because of recording the gameplay video. So yeah, we'll see you soon. Thank you.
Hello everybody and welcome to this special videocast unlocked by you, the community. I'm James, also known as Minwi, and today I'm going to talk about, well, first I'm going to talk to you about debugging. And first of all, before I begin, I'm going to tell you why the mod is not released. And that is because the mod needs to be tested thoroughly over and over and over again. That's why I'm going to talk to you about debugging. Debugging is the process of whenever the game crashes or freezes or there's just a general problem, we've got to go and hunt down the problem, reproduce it, and then fix it. That's my job as the programmer. Now, we could have given the beta testing to you, the community, but the problem with that is it's a single player game and you're not going to enjoy it very much if it freezes every time you go to a new level, or it freezes every time you save, or something like that. So you're going to have to bear with us. I know some people are getting impatient, some people have been a bit faggoty, but you're just going to have to bear with us. Also, I'd like to say a massive thank you to everyone for getting this Facebook campaign going. It's been absolutely amazing, and I mean that. I mean, what was it, 1,500 likes 2 days ago, and now it's over 2,000. It's just insane, so thank you very much. Special thanks to Spike and Barley for raising awareness and everyone else. But enough of this, I'm going to get straight into it now. Okay, this is my current bugs list as it stands. As you can see, there's not really that much to it. This is my section here. At the moment I'm Prio 4, there's 7 priorities. Once Prio 4 is done, which is this section here, move on to Prio 5, which is this section here. And then once that's done, I'm moving to Prio 6, which is pretty much removing out the developer commands, and then doing one final beta testing pass and making sure everything is fixed and ready. And then we'll move on to Prio 7, which is release the mod. So hopefully that's allayed some of your fears about how quote unquote slow the mod's progress is going, and if not, oh well. For example, one of the things I'm working at the moment is custom hoodies, and these are obviously unlockables. And you access this via the secret unlockables room. You can get the hoodies in a variety of ways, but we're not going to tell you how. This is obviously work in progress, the menu isn't done properly, and I blurred out obviously the hoodies because they're secret. When it's finished, the hoodie you choose will affect what sleeves you see in first person view, and on top of that we've also added support so that you can actually make your own hoodies and import them via this last one here. So that should be pretty cool. When it's done, the camera will actually look at Simon rather than being in first person view, making him as if there's 2 of them. But yeah, that's really quick to fix. Another thing we've been working on is hints. We found it's quite difficult sometimes for first time players to know what to do, so we've added these subtle hints up the top here on how to play the game. Sorry about this frame rate, it really is bad, isn't it, on my laptop? This is, as we say, for first time players who are unsure as to what to do or how to use their inventory or some such like. On top of that, we quickly realised that we could actually use this code for helping in other ways, and we added actually objectives, just simple things that will help guide you in the basic direction of what Simon wants to do next, whether it's investigate this or get to that area. This should help, as I say, for first time players who really kind of don't know what they're doing and they're running backwards and forwards like a headless chicken, unknown in not knowing what to do. So yeah, that's all from me for now. I'm going to hand you over to my colleagues. Thank you once again for all the likes. It's been really great all the support you've shown, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.
Hello everybody, it's me, Berserk. I'm just here just to say a few words about beta testing. Now, beta testing for Cry of Fear is something that you all really should be able to try, but we're being faggots and pretty much not letting you, because it's way too much awesome for you to handle. No, really. The final version is gonna be something I would call marvelous. It's gonna be legendary. It's gonna be the best modification for Half-Life ever. I'm saying this because I've never been that impressed by a modification before. Any other mods I've been playing, even full conversions, hasn't had that quality that Cry of Fear has. I'm not going to talk about how perfect it is, because beta testing was a bitch. First of all, Cry of Fear hates me. It hates me and my computer. It's been a real bitch just to try to get it to work on my computer. Furthermore, I found a lot of bugs that we've sorted out. There's still a few left, but we'll get them. But pretty much it's been a real pleasure to just play the beta, and you will enjoy the final version. I'm not going to waste your time. That's about all I have to say. So, until next time, enjoy.